Ready to turn your grass into digital gold? Let's swap grass tokens to USDT in your Phantom wallet, lightning fast. First, open your Phantom wallet and make sure you have grass tokens available. You should see it displayed on your main asset list. Now, tap on the swap icon, which usually looks like two opposing arrows at the bottom of your screen. This opens the swap interface. In the swap interface, select grass as the token you want to pay within the UPay section. Then, select USDT as the token you want to receive in the You Receive section. Enter the amount of grass you want to swap for USDT. You can either type it in manually or use the max button if you want to swap all of your grass. Phantom will show you an estimate of how much USDT you'll receive and any transaction fees. Take a moment to review these details carefully. If you're happy with the estimated amount and fees, tap on the Swap or Review Swap button. Phantom will present you with a final confirmation screen. Double-check all the details one last time to ensure accuracy. Finally, confirm the transaction by clicking the Confirm button. After confirmation, your grass will be converted to USDT and your updated balances will be displayed in your Phantom wallet. And that's it. You successfully swapped grass for USDT.